Okay, we are live. Thanks for joining. Thanks for stopping by. As you can probably realize, this is a voiceover because I guess some settings were missed and I did not record when I went live. So I'm gonna record over the audio and hopefully make some sense. So this is quick show of the car that I'm gonna be using for the GRL. Here's the Mustang GTY number 24 that I got from my friend Warren from lightekslots.ca, and yeah, I guess that was the little prize for my previous participation on season 1. It's a nice looking car, not the best performers, but that's part of the fun. Okay. Hope you guys like the camera setup. Just a couple of old cell phones and a couple of a little bit of editing with OBS, and there it is. So let me know if you like this setup. I might do some more runs in the future like that. All right, so this is the box that another box from lightekslots.ca from Warren, and I have the 3 remaining cars that are going to be part of the GRL starting next month, January 2025. It looks like Warren including a couple of extra goodies in there. There were a couple of Allen wrenches, the small one that I don't have, so that is perfect and highly appreciated. And some stickers. Alright, let's get the first one out. And some more candy in there. Nicely packed from Warren. And starting this BMW M4. That's number 1. That will be my DTM car. It's really nice looking with the M series livery colors. And all these cars are evolution, so analog. Most likely just gonna borrow some chips from the old cars and run it on digital, since I didn't get the analog base this time around, so I'm just gonna do like last time and use my digital base on the circuit there that we're gonna be using, gonna be running for the GRL. So remember that GRL is basically everybody gets the same track, the same amount of track parts. We all set up the same layout, and then we have four cars in different categories, different groups, and that's what we run. And on this one is my GT3 car, is the number 69 Lamborghini Huracan. Really nice colors. I always like those bright color vehicles. And yep, that will be my entry for the GT3 category. And the GRL, we run pretty much stock. We obviously lubricate um, and use the basic maintenance, but we try to keep it stock with magnets, and some races will be with the stock tires, some will be with new tires. So minimize the expense. Make it easier for newcomers to join. I think we're gonna have about 18 or 20 drivers this coming season, so that's gonna be fun. And there is the Lamborghini Huracan, which is actually my first Lamborghini in the collection, which I always appreciate new ones. Alright, and this last one is also gonna be a new one for the collection. My group 5, so we're doing the group 5, and this is the Lancia Beta Monte Carlo. I believe it ran in like Daytona in 81. So this is one of the few Lancia that Carrera makes. And these are not new cars. You probably have seen them before, but hey, they're new to me, and that's part of the fun of the GRL. You get to buy new cars. So the GRL, the idea will be that every month for 4 weeks we're going to have different layouts. So every week we change. Not sorry about that. The other way around. Every month we're going to have one layout, and then every week we run each car. So week 1 could be DTM, week 2 GT3, the group 5, the GTY, and then the following month we change the layout, and then for 4 weeks each week we run a new car, a different car of the group, so the same car of course for the entire season, and again allowing minimal tune-ups, just the basics, and then we time it and we compare times. So that's it's a time trial, and we compare the times. And one of the main characteristics of these tournaments compared to some in Europe and some other people that don't out there is that we run our official entry for the week. We will run it live on YouTube. So the idea is that we're going to have some witnesses, normally other drivers, or yep, we use other drivers that are jump into the stream. We do a quick 10 laps run, and then on those 10 laps, obviously the fastest total time, the fastest laps get an extra point, and the top 3 get a podium, and that will allow an amount of points, and over each round and each hit and each week we're gonna accumulate points, and of course the top performer will get a podium at the end of the championship. So yeah, so my track here is about 24 foot long by 5 feet wide, and it's not hasn't been used in a little bit. It's kind of dusty, so just doing a slow test of the cars on analog mode. Again, I will probably move the chips over and run it digitally, and that way, well, make it easier to um, take the timing with the smart race and run it with the Carrera controller. We don't allow other controllers just yet. Maybe in the future, but right now will be the official, either analog or digital Carrera the controllers. So yeah, I do like this camera setup. Maybe try different couple different angles, but four cameras seems to be more than enough. I know some people have asked me about running some of my rally cars on this track too, so maybe one of these coming weeks. Oh, we'll see how busy we are during the holidays, but maybe we can do a live and just put all the cars in track and take suggestions and all that. All right, so here they are again, my entries for the GRL Season 2, my Group 5 with the Lancia Beta Monte Carlo. We got the GTY, so we're gonna have a Mustang GTY category, just that car that is really fun to drive. And my GT3 entry is the Lamborghini Huracan number 69. And then the DTM entry is the BMW M4. Well, all right, guys, I will leave it on to this. Thanks for stopping by. Sorry for the audio problem. Hopefully, this voiceover will make sense. And until next one, thanks for watching.